Okay, we're going to talk about something nobody wants to hear, but what do you do when you think you need bunion surgery? So, surgery can be really scary for anybody, and I am sure if you've ever Googled bunion surgery, you've seen a lot or heard of a lot of horror stories. Maybe your friends or family members have had bunion surgery and they have scared the bejesus out of you in going through with something like that. Now, bunion surgery comes in all different shapes and sizes, and there's a ton of different procedures to achieve the goal of not having a painful bump. And so just because you've had a friend or a family member have a bad experience with a bunion doesn't mean that that's something that's going to happen to you. Now let's talk about what bunion surgery really means. Essentially what we're trying to do is get rid of a bump on your toe, but we're also trying to straighten that toe out, and most importantly, get rid of pain. And so if your bunion is not painful, I have wonderful news for you. You don't need bunion surgery. I actually discourage people from fixing their non-painful bunions unless they're having extreme difficulty fitting into shoes and other sorts of complications with it. But if you have a painful bunion and you dread putting shoes on every single day and you feel like your wardrobe is revolving around the shoes that fit your bunion, then maybe it's time for you to consider more treatment rather than living with it. Now, when it comes to the point when you are ready to have bunion surgery, this is where things get kind of interesting because there's a lot of different procedures to have or could have to fix that bunion. And it depends on your age, it depends on that joint and how healthy it is, how much flexibility you still have in your foot. And there's actually a very dynamic process that we go through as physicians to try to figure out what is the best procedure for you to get you comfortable, get your toe straight, but then also get you functional as fast as possible too. And so if you're worried, that's normal. If you're scared, that's also normal, but it's also a really good idea to get some information. And it's also a really good idea to maybe get some information from more than one doctor because it is your body and you do have to feel comfortable with the decisions you are making about your body. So if you would like to learn more about your bunion and how we could possibly fix it, go ahead and give us a call at Third Coast Foot and Ankle, and we'd be happy to walk you through the process. Whether you're ready or you're not ready or you're just here for information, we're more than happy to walk you through everything.